game. It's a rich thing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a what's in my handbag. Yes, you guys, I absolutely love watching these kind of videos. I remember being like back in college, I would watch these like for hours on YouTube. But I'm not going to ramble, you guys. I will, of course, have everything that is in my handbag listed and linked below in my description box if you are interested in purchasing it. And then also to the handbag itself will be listed there. But you guys, thank you a million times. Thank you for all of the endless support, the likes, you subscribing to my channel. My channel has tremendously grown like within these past couple of months. So once again, thank you a million times. Thank you. But enough with that. Let's just go ahead and dive into this what's in my handbag type kind of video. Okay, you guys, so this is the handbag. I actually featured this last week. It's an Amazon Bottega dupe. I love this purse. I mean, I'm not going to go into detail as far as like describing it to you. So if you are interested in purchasing this handbag, definitely make sure you go over to Amazon. I know it is still currently in stock. This is actually considered, I want to say, the medium size, but you guys, I love this bag. I did not realize that I was going to be carrying this bag so often, but let's just get into it. Okay, so in no particular order, we first have my cell phone, you guys, Apple. I've probably had this phone since 2018, hence the camera. You guys, don't come for me. Don't come for me because I know the new upgrades with the Apple phones, they have like, I think it's three cameras, and mine only has like still two cameras. And then also, too, don't mind the glittery case. But yes, you guys, so my cell phone, I have my keys, I have, let's see. Oh, yes, a pressed powder. This is by Lancôme. I'm in the shade 470. Absolutely love this pressed powder. It's just, oh, hey, look at me. But it's just like a mirror right there. And then the powder itself, don't mind the mirror. I know the mirror is extremely dirty, you guys. Hand sanitizer, because even with the seasons changing, with it like getting ready to be spring, still, I mean, you can never go wrong with hand sanitizer. COVID definitely taught me always have hand sanitizer. Deodorant, you guys, you just never know when you know, may sweat a little. And it's just like, who wants to go around throughout the entire day being sweaty? And it's that brand Suave, if I'm pronouncing it, not that anybody cares. But yeah, it's that brand Suave. I also have a body lotion. This is Bath and Body Works. This is like their summer spring scent, I guess. I've had this scent before, and it smells really good at the beach. It's kind of giving me like coconut vibes, and I'm not really like a coconut vibe type kind of person, but it's not that coconut smell to where it's like, okay, yeah, this is a bit too strong. It's very like subtle in my opinion, but here it is, you guys. Ooh, I know you can't see that. Well, you can kind of see it where it says at the beach. I'm so sorry with my camera doing that. But yes, you guys, the packaging is very beautiful. It's kind of got like those waves that you would see at the beach, and this is like the sand. Got this from Bath and Body Works actually for free, you guys. Here I am rambling, but I just want to tell you anyways. So if you're like in that Bath and Body Works, I guess it's like a rewards club membership type kind of program. And every so often, Bath and Body Works will send me like, a coupon that's redeemable for like one free travel size item. And when I tell you, you guys, I mean, retail price is $8.95. So we're looking at almost $9, you know, maybe a little over $9 with tax, just for this travel size lotion. That's kind of pricey. No offense to Bath and Body Works, because I completely get it. The economy has definitely gone up. since COVID, but still, you guys, I mean, getting this for free and being valued, retail price at $8.95, a win is a win. So yes, thank you, Bath and Body Works. I love that I'm a part of their rewards program, and you guys, it's free. It's literally free. Just go into like your local Bath and Body Works store. You can ask them, how do you sign up for the rewards program? And I've actually been in this rewards program now that I think about it for quite some time. But yeah, you guys, they definitely reward you, hence reward program, for just nice little incentives. So yes, definitely check them out with Bath and Body Works. And then also too, you guys, now I don't know. Don't come for me in the comments is all I can say. But I literally have a full size of perfume in my purse. I absolutely love the scent. It's that Baccarat fragrance. I mean, the infamous Baccarat. I've had this now for a couple of years. Yes, I know perfume expires, but you guys, me paying like 375 for this bottle of perfume, like best believe I'm going to carry it everywhere like with me. I absolutely love the smell of this, you guys. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I mean, yeah, I know it's one of those fragrances that everyone wears, but I don't really care. Like it just matches my body chemistry extremely well. So I love Baccarat. Will I purchase it again? I hate to say it, but I probably would. And I know it's so expensive, but it is so worth it. I mean, this is a fragrance that literally lasts on me for days and days and days. You guys, I've even worn like clothes like to the office and like out. And I've noticed spraying it and then coming home and washing the clothes, it literally still has the scent. That's how good this fragrance is. I love Baccarat. So yeah, I probably would end up purchasing this again when it runs out. And I have to remind myself not to be heavy handed because you guys, look at how much is left. There's not really even that much that's left, but I love me some Baccarat. But moving right along, you guys, I have like this little mini brush. I know it looks like it's a brush for a kid, but I promise you it's not. It's by the brand Conair. Yes, Conair. I got this at Walmart. I think it may have been for like $4 or $5 because it's just like, if you look at the size of the handbag, you guys, I could not. I mean, yeah, I probably could fit like a full size brush in here, but I just feel like if I carried a full size brush, it's going to take up so much of space. And I really don't want that. So I just opt for like a mini brush. And also, too, I have a glass cleaner because guess what, you guys? Sable wears glasses. And with Sable constantly pushing her glasses up, because they slide like off my face onto like the bridge of my nose, I have fingerprints literally all in the lenses of my glasses, which is why I carry a good old just cleaning lens cloth, you guys. And then also too, I have an ink pen because you just never know, you guys. I have an ink pen, but it's crazy because I actually don't have like a little notepad or a planner to write anything, in. But yes, I've just always kept an ink pen just because you never know. You may be somewhere and you may have to sign something like going out, especially, sorry that I keep touching my mic, you guys. But going out to like a restaurant, sometimes you may have to sign like if you're paying with like a debit card or a credit card. And I just like to have my own ink pen. I mean, I know this may come off as being, a bit mean, you guys, but with COVID, it's just that I just like to have my own, utensils if I can, because it's just like, touching it and then having someone else touching it, whatever the item may be. It's just like, yeah, it's kind of grossing me out. So if I can do anything to prevent myself from getting sick, then I'm going to try my very best to do that. And here I am, you guys, just going off about an ink pen. But, Am I weird for wanting to have like my own like ink pens and stuff like that to use versus, someone giving me, an ink pen to use? I hope that doesn't come off as being mean, but I'm just trying to protect myself, you guys. That's all I'm trying to do. And then also too, you guys, I have this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is actually the lip gloss that I have on now, in the shade Hot Chocolate. I absolutely love this. This has always been like my go-to lip gloss. Like Rihanna's Fenty line is absolutely like amazing. That's literally the only lip color that I use. And then lastly, you guys, this is kind of like a carry all bag. And what I mean by like a carry all bag, it has a little bit of everything in here. No particular order, you guys. I have a phone charger because you just never know. You just never know when you may need to charge your phone. Like, you just never know. Or you could end up helping someone out that may need to charge their phone. I have a fingernail file. I think this is by the brand Revlon. Oh, yeah. Also, too, if you wanted to know, you guys, this phone charger is from Amazon. I got it like in a 3-pack, ridiculously cheap. And I usually get all of my chargers from Amazon. And then, like I mentioned before, you guys, a fingernail file because you just never know when you may need to file your nails. Maybe it's just a girl thing, but it's by the brand Revlon if anyone is interested. I also have a lens wipe because, once again, Sable wears glasses. Sable constantly has smudges on her glasses. I also have clippers, like nail clippers, like a small one and a large one. They're kind of like in this teal blue color. I like it. It's definitely giving like Tiffany and Co. Got this from Walmart too as well. I have earbuds. These are the old earbuds to my iPhone, you guys. Like I told you, I know my iPhone, it is old. I think this is an iPhone 10. So with the iPhone 10, I still have to use like the earbuds that have like the little like piece right here at the bottom that has to go like into the bottom of the phone right there in order for me to be able to hear you guys. And then I also have like these little breath strips because I mean, you just never know when you may need, to freshen up your breath. And I usually keep gum, you guys, but I notice I'm actually out of gum. So that reminds me, I need to get gum. And then lastly, you guys, you just never know. You may have like a cut on your finger, your hand, whatever. So I have like this triple antibiotic ointment that you can use, and then these little like band-aids as well. I got these items from, I want to say Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. It came with like this little mini first aid kit. And I actually used to have like more items in my little carry all bag, but yeah, that just reminded me I need to refill this back up. And that is a wrap, you guys. So that was today's What's in My Handbag video. It may have seemed a little bit boring, but this is typically the stuff that I carry in my handbag. Comment below. What is it that you like typically carry in your handbag on a day to day? But yeah, you guys, these are like my daily essentials. But like I mentioned before earlier, I will have, all of these items listed and linked below in my description box, of course, along with the beautiful handbag itself. And yes, you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.